guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be cleaning in the kitchen as well as in the living room, because both of these rooms is where we spend most of our time. So they are always needing to be tidied up and clean, especially now that Aiden is crawling. I want to make sure the floors are nice and clean. So if you're ready to start cleaning with me, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and let's get started. I am going to start off by clearing off the countertops, bringing all of the dirty dinner dishes over to the sink so that I can get ready to start washing them here in just a little bit.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance.
Now that the countertops are all cleared off, I did have a few dishes from earlier in the day that were dried that I needed to go ahead and just put away, so I will be putting all of that away, clearing out the sink so that I can get started with washing all of these dirty dinner dishes. Today's video is actually in collaboration with Yolacey from the Lopez Life. She is another Latina mom killing it on YouTube here. She does a lot of cleaning motivation as well as some workout motivation. She's also super close to hitting 4,000 subscribers. She has been working super hard on her channel, so it would mean a lot if you guys went over there, subscribed, let her know I sent you, and I know you guys will not regret checking her channel out. Now to get back to cleaning, it is time to get all of the dishes washed. And here you can see that I am wearing some gloves, which I normally don't do, but lately my hands have been extra dry, so I wanted to just go ahead and give it a try. I honestly felt pretty weird using these gloves to wash the dishes, and you will probably not see them ever again because, I don't know, it's just a different feeling. I'd rather just clean them with my bare hands.
Isn't this the good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out there for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
Now to clean out the sink, which is one of the most satisfying things to do after you have washed all of your dishes. I just love seeing a nice and shiny sink.
I can see the pain it costs you, and I can see, girl, how it hurts you. But let me show you I can fix you. Mr. Right Girl, be a Mr. Right Girl. I understand, girl, what you've been through. That is the reason why you feel so blue. Just wanna tell you I will show you that I could be your Mr. Right. And I will show you how to love. And I can be your Mr. Right. I will show you how to love.
Here you see mommy's little helper, because Aiden is very attached to me these past few days. But I mean, that's just the life of a mom. I have to hold my little baby but still get the house clean. So we're going to be cleaning one-handedly and get all this done.
Epiphany rising, got a lot wrong, you see bright as lightning. Already memories, now I just don't really care what you feel, what you feel, what you feel. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh.
The stove had some oil splatters all around, so I just wanted to make sure to clean all of that off. And luckily my stove is an induction stove and it's super easy to clean, so it doesn't take very long, and I just like to get this done every single night.
Yeah, prayers from my Savior. Just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me. Oh.
Now I am coming in with a second cloth, making sure there are no hard watermarks left over.
False advertising, you were not meant for me, still not surprising.
Before I continue wiping down the countertops, I am going to be diffusing a little lavender essential oils just to set a calm and relaxing mood. If this is your first time here on my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Marlene, and here on my channel you will find a lot of cleaning motivation videos as well as motherhood and lifestyles. So if you're into that, I would really love for you to consider hitting that subscribe button and joining our family. Now to pick up all of the toys that my toddler has spread around the kitchen before I can get down to the floors. And here you see me using the Dapple Baby all-purpose spray to spray down Aiden's little bouncer. This is where he really likes to spend most of the time when I'm in the kitchen, so I will just put him in here, and it really keeps him entertained for a while because he can be propped up and spin all around and just keep me company. So I'm just going to wipe that down since he had been playing in here and had a teething pop which had gotten all over the place. Finally, we are making our way down to the floor, so I would just start vacuuming and then come in with my steam mop to disinfect all of these floors, because these days Aiden is crawling, he is all over the place, and I just want to make sure that the floors are all nice and clean so that he's not bringing any of those germs or anything into his mouth. Steam mop has got to be one of my all-time favorite cleaning products, and I would love it just a bit more if I could find one that was cordless, but I have looked all around the internet and I just can't find one. I think they don't exist because of the high voltage that you would need in a battery to actually create the steam. But if you guys know of one, please let me know down in the comments, because I am seriously on the hunt for one if it is out there.
In your head, seeking your attention, but simple instead. Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. I know I am nobody to ya, and it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, hope you slow it down. Cause what I really need is your time. So will you like me like that? Just like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Like me like that.
Now to tidy up in the living room, here you can see all of the toys that my toddler and my baby have left all around the floor. So I'm just going to give this a quick tidy up and then also come in and vacuum and mop as well.
Like me like that. Just like that. Like me like that. Like me like that.
I only miss you when you're gone, baby, gone. 'Cause in my heart I know we don't belong. I think that's why you walk away, to kill what's left, let it go away. You and I were never meant to be forever together. You and I'm sorry, but we're only dreaming. I only miss you when you're gone. Oh God, I miss when we would wander.
Now that the rug is all clear, I can come in with my vacuum and finally vacuum it all off, and then come back and return my coffee table to the center because we have been just moving it off to the side during the day since Aiden does like to play here. So just to give him a little bit more carpet area to work with, we move it off to the side.
I only see you when you're gone, baby, gone. What we could have done, what we become. It's like a story from the past.
There were a couple of random items just laying out on top of the TV console piece, so I just cleared it off and went ahead and wiped it down as well just to make it all nice and clean.
Tonight I'll reach out and touch the sky. In the city of angels, feels like I'm coming home. With my head up in the clouds, I am searching for something, and I'm still hoping. 'Cause I wanna be in, not out, wanna make this all count. Yes, I wanna go crazy now, gonna make this all count. Feeling like a rock star, 'cause tonight I'm getting out of line and it's alright. Feeling like feeling like just as cool as John Wayne in his movies. Feeling like I'm James Dean and I know it. Feeling like feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star.
You guys see all of these cleaning motivation videos and it looks like everything just gets done so fast and easily, but honestly it had taken quite a while. This was a couple of hours of filming because I have to keep stopping here and there to, you know, attend to my kids, and it was actually around 11 o'clock at night whenever I was able to finish this up. But I just love having a clean home at the end of the day. That way I can set myself up for success the next morning, because it's just a nice feeling to wake up to a clean home rather than a messy house.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Think about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know.
And that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, found the cleaning motivation you needed. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe if you are new, and also don't forget to check out Yolace's channel. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.